I will develop a free portfolio website absolutely free. You have heard it right, absolutely free. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel adilshare.pro. Today we have a celebration, a double celebration indeed. I have hit 50 plus subscribers on my YouTube channel as well as 100 plus subscribers on my LinkedIn newsletter. That's right. And to show my appreciation, I want to offer a giveaway of free portfolio website built with Nextjs 13. You can have the demo link in the description. I will post the link in the description. I am so grateful for your support, and to show my appreciation, I am announcing a free giveaway. I will develop a free portfolio website absolutely free. You have heard it right, absolutely free. All you have to do is to give a shout out to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Facebook profile, as well as subscribe to my LinkedIn newsletter. But remember, winners will be selected on first come first served basis. So it will be an offer for only first 20 lucky winners. Again, I'm so grateful to all of you, all those who have subscribed, to all those who have showed me any support at any time. So don't wait, participate now, and let's grow this community together. I'll see you another time. I'm waiting for your participation. Thank you for listening and keep supporting. I'll keep posting coding tutorials and all the AI tools trends for you on this channel, and I want to grow this channel as much as I can, but it will not be possible without your support. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in another video. See you until next time. Take care.